Hey, thank you for checking out the Producer Dojo YouTube. We just started it not too long ago. It is small, but it is growing very fast, and we are really excited to see something so fruitful and watch this community come together in new ways, in new places here on YouTube. All of your comments and encouragement are very appreciated by everyone, not just myself, but everyone else who works at the dojo. We love hearing what you have to say. We love seeing that you share the videos and comment and stuff. It makes us really stoked. So stoked, in fact, that we're going to be bringing more of the delicious, juicy, mind-watering content from behind the Producer Dojo paywall to you on YouTube for free because y'all have been so cool. So give yourself a hand and a pat on the back because you did this. You made it worth it by supporting the dojo. So now, today, we have a weekly download that many have rated as their number one of all 300 weekly downloads. This is the one, they said, that took them over the edge. This was the tipping point. This was what made them get their act together, get their workflow tight, get their sound design all crazy. And that is Mudpies. So this was behind the paywall for the longest time. This is a subject I care very much about, and that's why when Ableton asked me for a one thing to recommend in my Ableton official one thing video, I recommended the idea of mud pies and, using chaos, harnessing the power of chaos and modern recording technology to achieve wild, erratic modulations and sound design possibilities that would previously blanch your imagination if you even contemplated them for a second. Yes, mud pies. It's a secret. It's a secret to doing lots of cool stuff, but it's yours now for free because we love you. So, yeah, please enjoy this episode. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little bell, click share, comment. All that engagement really helps us with the algorithm, and it helps us to feel better about our life decisions, especially this decision to take content from the other side of the paywall and put it on the free side for you. All right, lots of love. Have fun with mud pies. Let's get weird.